I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello there, welcome back to another edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today we're going to unbox and install the Logitech complete wireless combo mouse and keyboard with one single dongle, controls them both. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, as expected, we've got one keyboard, one mouse, a bunch of instructions here. We've got the dongle laying loose, and I thought somewhere there'd be batteries, but maybe not. Okay, we got a couple protective pieces of plastic all over the place. Get them out of the way so they don't get in my way. Also wrapped all around the mouse. And it looks like batteries have already been installed, and all we need to do is pull out this protective strip and the light comes on. It's also got a power switch underneath, so I'm going to turn that off now. Same here for the keyboard. And our power switch is right there. Okay, so all we need to do is plug this dongle into the side of the computer in one of the open USB ports. We'll turn on the keyboard, turn on the mouse, and as you see, the mouse cursor is moving just fine. So let's see if we can open a text document of some sort. Okay, we opened up the text document in LibreOffice, so now we should be able to type, and there's everything typing just fine. The keyboard is laid out with a lot of different stuff to help you with your computer. We've got volume up and down, mute, there's ways to control your music player. You can set up buttons for internet, email, music, and search functions. I probably won't be setting any of that up because I don't like doing all that crap, but it is available. So there it is, easy setup for a Logitech combo mouse and keyboard. I think I paid $42, $45 for this at Walmart. So, thanks for watching.